Hi, G. Yeomans here from MarineMax in Jupiter.
Hi, my name's Daniel Corey.
Hi, my name is Richard Hansen.
Hey, I'm Rob Harrell with MarineMax in Charleston.
Hi, I'm Corey. I work for MarineMax Sarasota for 7 years.
Hi, my name's Jenny Gack from MarineMax Nisswa.
Hello, I'm Garrett with MarineMax Sarasota.
My name is Bob Valenti.
Tyler Layton, and I served as a captain in the United States Army Reserve.
101st Airborne, 2nd 327th Infantry.
I served in the United States Army Reserve, and then I transferred into active duty into the Coast Guard.
And I served in the United States Coast Guard.
I served in the Army from 1991 to 1999.
I am a veteran. I served in the United States Navy, Desert Shield, Desert Storm.
I served in the Army for 13.
I served in the Marines.
I served in the Army from 2009 to 2017, both active duty and National Guard.
Being a veteran and Veterans Day is important to me because some gave all and all gave some. So thank you, veterans, for your service.
It's a day for me to reflect on all service members, past, present, and future, for the sacrifices they gave or are going to give for our country.
Veterans Day pretty much means just honoring the men and women that I served with and just supporting the community.
What Veterans Day means to me is just a sense of camaraderie with everyone together and an acceptance, and thank you for everyone that served, whether overseas or in the States.
Veterans Day is important to me that we recognize the service of those that serve past and present, and they get the recognition for their sacrifices.
It's a day to remember all of those guys and girls who sacrificed their lives for this country. And that's what it's about. Not about much else. It's about them sacrificing their lives for our freedom. That's the way it can stay. Thanks.
I like to honor every brother and sister in this country who at one time wrote a blank check so we could be free and enjoy our lives.
Veterans Day to me is a day to say thank you to all the men and women that have signed up and said they would be willing to give their all. It's a good time to get together with those people and show your appreciation to them. So from me to my fellow veterans out there, happy Veterans Day.
On behalf of our entire team at MarineMax, thank you for your service and sacrifice. Happy Veterans Day.